Ilang memorial mass at pagtitipon ang isinagawa sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Canada Huwebes bilang pag-alala sa ika-40 araw ng pagluluksa sa mga yumao sa trahedya ng Lapu-Lapu Day. Kasabay ng mga paggunita ang panawagan para sa pagbabago. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Pagtanggap kahit mahirap ang naging mensahe ng homily sa 40-day Memorial Mass na isinagawa June 6 para sa mga biktima ng trahedya ng Lapu-Lapu Day.
Because it's only through acceptance that we can find forgiveness. It doesn't mean that we will forget. The wounds are there, the pains are there, but it gives us the kind of opportunity to move forward.
Nagsama-sama ang komunidad sa St. Andrew's Parish sa Vancouver Huwebes ng gabi para ipagdasal ang mga yumao sa ika-40 araw ng pagluluksa sa kanilang biglang pagpanaw. Ang 40th day, mahalaga sa pananampalatayang Katoliko.
Our prayer publicly accompanies those who have died, that we raise our minds and hearts with Jesus so that God Himself will prepare a place for them, because for us, life is changed, transformed, not ended.
Dumalo sa misa ang mag-inang sina Christy Ann Watkins at ang anak na si Knox. Parehong nakaligtas sa pag-atake noong April 26 at patuloy na bumabangon.
For me, it's been tough. I understand that recovery is not linear. So I have good days and bad days. Every day I do feel a little bit better than I did the day before. However, I'm also discovering new pains every day. Yesterday was the first time where I actually started to feel really frustrated with my recovery. So doing simple things like just folding laundry is really hard. Like, I can't move my hands. I can't stand for too long. I can't walk for too long. So, and at this point right now, I still don't know how long this recovery can be, but I am grateful that I didn't need surgery, or I'm not in the hospital anymore. So, I try to see the positives and, focus on that and focus on gratitude all the time and every day.
I'm doing okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for all the support and help.
It is very easy to get back to normal life. Just please don't forget us as victims. Some are still in the hospital. I don't know how long my recovery is. So it's just, don't forget about us. And keep fighting for us.
So, and as Christians, we believe that death is temporary. So that's why we have this idea that death is just a temporary transition into somewhere better.
Sa Ottawa, inalala rin ng mga biktima ng trahedya Huwebes sa pagtitipon na tinawag na Luksang Bayan na inorganisa ng Migrante Ottawa.
Mas magandang maalala sila, yung buhay nila, yung kanilang kontribusyon dun sa komunidad kung nasaan sila.
Nais daw nila na makita ang mga pagbabago pagdating sa pagtugon sa problema ng mental health at pagpapanatili ng seguridad sa mga pampublikong pagtitipon. Hiling din nila ang transparency pagdating sa investigasyon kung bakit nauwi sa trahedya ang sanay selebrasyon.
I think it would be right for the families to understand yung pagkawala ng kanilang pamilya with all the important information na kailangan nilang malaman, na walang maiwan na tanong sa isip nila.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.